In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the before and after slider in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link down in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath tools, you will see option number 4, before and after slider. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the before and after slider widgets page. From here, I want you to click on create widget for free on the left hand side. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the before and after slider template section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different options to choose from. You have a simple comparison, you have a retouch slider, you have a list of works, as well as a product comparison. Bear in mind that on the right hand side here, this widget is fully functional. As you can see, you can test it out and see what it feels like and what it will feel like if you were to add it on your Webflow website. Bear in mind that every single template that you see here is fully customizable, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But yeah, for now, go ahead and choose the one that you like the most. In my case, I'm going to go for the simple comparison one because I quite like the look of it. It looks super nice and clean. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can start customizing the before and after slider to our liking. But before we do that, we first need to add the relevant content. So as you can see right now, by default, we have just one set right here, which is for this before and after for the dog. So if you click on this here, you can add the before image, which is this one. And then obviously you can add the label, which is before. It will be down here. And then you have the after image, which is obviously on the right hand side here. This is what it looks like. And then the after is right there. You can also add a caption, which you will see it will go down here underneath the image. In my case, I'll just delete that because I don't want it. And yeah, once you've done that, click on done. You can add as many sets as you want. I'll just keep it as is. You can also add a heading here. So for example, if you have a grooming salon for dogs, you can just add the header here, grooming salon, or whatever the name of your business might be. Then on the left hand side here, you have layout, settings, and style. These are all the different customizations they can take advantage of to further customize the before and after slider to your liking. So for example, let's just go to layout here. Let's say that we don't want it to be a list, we want it to be a carousel. Now, this would make a difference if obviously we had multiple sets, but in my case I have one, so it doesn't really matter. I'll just go for list here. You can change the width of the actual widget here. In my case, I'm going to keep it to the default 820. In terms of settings, image ratio is 1:1 square. You could obviously change this to whatever you want. If you have a preference, label positioning, bottom, divider, interaction, behavior. So drag and click, as you can see. You have to click on the actual image to drag it. Alternatively, it could be hover. So people will just be able to, if they hover over the image, it will automatically kind of like do the before and after effect. I think that's actually quite nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can also reset the divider. So if somebody does this and then they click off it, it goes back to the middle, as you can see. I think that's actually quite nice. You can also add custom CSS and JavaScript if you want to. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different options that you can take advantage of here to further customize the widget to your liking. I'm not going to go for every single one because that will take me like half an hour. But yeah, you get the point. I want you to spend as much time as you need to customize this before and after widget to your liking. And once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then your before and after widget will be saved up, and then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we now need to publish your widget. So click on publish here in the top right corner of the screen, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget to be creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. Now, if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want more widgets, if you want more views, or if you want more functionalities, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options that you can go for. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go for the plan the best works for you. And then you automatically be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to copy the code for the widget that we just created. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor here, and I actually want my before and after slider added to this section right here. I've also added some padding just so we can see where it is. Obviously, if you want your before and after slider to be flush with these sections above and below it, make sure the padding here is set to 0. And yeah, so once you selected the section, in the top left corner here, click on this plus icon and then search for code. Then I want you to click on code embed. Once you've done that, here you will see this window open up. Simply paste the code we just copied previously from elf side, click on save and close. And then you will see that we need to actually publish the changes in order to see the before and after slider. So I'm going to click on publish right here and then wait for Webflow to finalize the publication. As you can see, there we go. I'm going to click here to preview the website. And then let's take a look at our before and after slider. And as you can see, here is our before and after slider. This is what it looks like. It looks super nice and clean. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top left corner. This is actually only visible by you, just in case you want to make any changes to the widget itself in Elfsight. But yeah, as you can see, that's how to add the before and after slider in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.